Nababo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga. For today's video guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa downtown San Fernando, Pampanga, and we were invited by Beauty Express. Guys, if you're looking for your daily routine for beauty and naghahanap ka ba ng mga beauty regimen, guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go!
Hi, we're in Pampanga. Welcome to Beauty Express! Hi, sir. I'm Michelle Joy Mercado. I'm the owner of Beauty Express.
Para lang po sa kaalaman namin, how come sa mga beauty product line po kayo na got into sa business?
Yes, kasi actually I wanna try their products. So, para makamura ako, bebenta ko na rin siya. Para kumbaga parang freebies or makaka-discount ka na since you're pinukuha mo sila as per seller price. So, yun. Hanggang sa nasa linya ko naman kasi yung magbenta. So, dun binenta ko na rin sila.
So, at first, ma'am, you really just wanna
try them? Yes. Ako kasi, parang para sa akin, a woman or even a person feel or can work better, can do better if they feel confident, if they feel beautiful. So, ganun din kasi ako. Pag I feel ugly or yung medyo depressed ka, sobrang ang hirap gumalaw, lalo na sa mga mommies, di ba? You still have to prioritize yourself no matter what. Self-love is not being selfish. Diba? So, ganyan talagang pinupursue ko na beauty products, kailangan talaga. It's a necessity.
Okay. Ma'am, ano po ba yung mga beauty products or items po natin specifically dito sa Beauty Express?
Yes. Ayan. One of our bestsellers is, of course, Miss Glenda, Brilliant Skin. Siya yung one of the pioneer ng local brands beauty products dito sa Philippines. Okay. Kaya sobrang benta na ng mga products niya.
Okay.
This one
ano yung mga popular products po niya, ma'am?
This one.
Okay, so this is
the Brilliant Rejuvenating Set. So, ito, 300 lang. Beware of fake products, sir. So, isa din yun. Kaya in-encourage ko yung mga clients na pumunta na lang dito kasi sobrang dami ng mga fake products na naglalabasan online or even yung nagkikater sa mga products na ganyan. So, dito, original tong mga to and nasa SRP kami. Kasi pag below SRP, most likely, malapit na ma-expired yung mga binibenta nila or fake products.
For disposal na, no? Yes. So like for this one, what do we have it? Parang kit siya, no, ma'am?
Yes, so they have the toner, meron siyang night cream, and meron siyang sunblock, and meron din siyang soap. Okay. Ayan.
Only 300 pesos, guys. Ayan.
300 pesos.
Okay, may question ako sa iyo, ma'am. Yung personal, hindi naman to talaga endorsement, pero your own mga products na usual mo talagang ginagamit. On a day, what do you use?
Yung talagang ginagamit ko is Cerise beauty products kasi quality-wise wala kang masabi kahit anong variants yan. And yung quality niya is pwede siya pang for international talaga.
International caliber.
Yes. So, Cerise beauty talaga. Walang bias yan.
Ayun. And then, sa mga nag-explore ng kanilang mga desires. Ayan.
Donate na tayo for Feb.
Oo nga. Pero yung mga mag-asawa naman, whole year naman yan.
Yes,
diba?
of
Ayan.
course.
So these are?
Cake pie.
Cake pie. Intimacy.
Yes.
So, ayun guys, kung how to use it, hanap na lang ako sa YouTube, how to use this, as include namin paano yung gamitin to. Ayan.
Madami pong flavor yan, medyo naubusan lang kasi kahit sobrang benta po ng cake pie dito
Intimacy cake.
dito sa physical shop namin.
Ayan guys.
The reason why we put up this physical store, even if we have our TikTok and Shopee shop na catering nationwide, is nakita ko kasi dito specifically San Fernando, Pampanga, wala pa pong beauty product shop na nagka-cater sa mga TikTok trending products. So we put up this business for our Kapampangan, for our Fernandinos, and also sa mga nearby cities na makapag-purchase sila physically ng mga beauty products. Dito po sa downtown branch, we are open for reseller package. So it's just minimum of 3,000 entry So, one-time payment lang po yung 3,000 and then the rest succeeding is just 2,000 minimum purchase. All brands across na po yan. Basta we have the stocks, we can give it to you. Kaya in-invite ko po kayo na pumunta dito sa aming downtown branch na malapit po dito sa LA BAKESHOP, Eastwing, stall 1516 ng City Plaza Market ng San Fernando, Pampanga. For future plans is great news po because we are opening our Talabastagan branch. This week po, open na po namin ang aming Talabastagan branch, which is located BNF Building, Kalibut-But, Bacolor. Malapit po yan sa Superl and Farmville. Ayan, so please watch out for our We're in Pampanga video for Talabastagan branch. We also have our Shopee and TikTok. Ipopost po namin yan sa comment section ng We're in Pampanga, so check this out.